Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jamie. In today's video, I have some luxury unboxings. I have some items from Dior, Balenciaga, and a Reiss item. There is a little bit of a story time with each of these items, so let's get right into the unboxings. So starting with this Balenciaga, you can probably tell from this box, this is a pair of shoes. And if you know me and my aesthetic, you may already know what these are. Let's see here. Here we go. Look at this. It's the slides from Balenciaga in this beautiful beige. Is this not the perfect slide for me? I love it. I think it's a beautiful, like, darker shade of brown beige, and this item I tried to find with my essay, and for the longest time they didn't have this particular shade. She had like every other color, but then one day they did have it, so thankfully I was able to purchase this from Nordstrom. Let me just grab it. I haven't worn these yet, but they do fit. These ones I went with the size 37, which is a size 7, and I'm typically like a 37.5 or 7.5, and these ones I think are so nice. Let's go. Love them. Perfect for summer, slip in and out. Do you guys own anything from Balenciaga? I know my friend Caleb, he loves Balenciaga, so what do you think, Caleb? I think these are perfect for my neutral aesthetic. So excited to finally find these ones, and I think the price point, it is under $500. I will find the price, and if I can find these online, I will link them down below. My next item is from Dior. Now this one, I came across this from my friend Natalie, and I can't believe I missed it when it came out the first time. And if you know, in designer goods, some of these seasonal collections, if you don't hop on it when it's happening, you just miss the whole thing. So these are a beautiful pair of sunglasses. I love this case. I'll show it to you guys quickly. And again, this goes with the whole neutral vibes on this channel, so I did not disappoint. But when my friend had these, I had to find them. Here we go. And here, the best part is, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's this more understated pink beige. And I'll put some photos of me wearing them, but it's that perfect beige, understated type of color, and I love this shape. So when I first tried to find these, I could only find the rectangle pair, and when I tried to order them, my friend had them, I believe, from Saks. The first time I tried was from Bloomingdale's. Well, thankfully I was able to come across them, but then they sent me the rectangle version. It's very similar, the style number and all that. The good thing is I did call Bloomingdale's right away, and they were like, no problem, we will send you out a replacement. And then basically I was hoping and praying that they were going to come in the more butterfly lens shape. The square ones were nice, but I really had my heart set on this more butterfly, you know, the rounder shape. So this one, they finally came in to the mail, and I couldn't be more excited. But this is such my whole vibe in this shade. It will go with so many of my outfits. I love these. I even tried to reach out to my essay from Dior, and they were out. So I was just pretty much left to look online. I think between my Chanel sunglasses that are also more that understated with the beige and the black, and then this will be a great alternative when I want to mix things up from my Chanel ones, especially if I'm wearing my Dior handbags and shoes. So my last item, this is from the brand Reiss, and I really love their clothes. During the Nordstrom anniversary sale, you guys know I was talking about finding a great jacket from Reiss. Well, I didn't even have a chance because when I went to go purchase it that evening, it was all sold out. And you can always take that chance in the anniversary sale that things do get replenished from their stock updates. Well, when they did replenish, I did find some odd sizes for the Reiss, and they even had that Max Mara that did come in, but at that point I already found this jacket from Reiss, and it's this beautiful rose color jacket. And the best part is, guys, it's in petite sizes. So for me, I'm in love with the shade. It is gorgeous. I'm gonna try this on for you guys too, because again, I just think this wrap style, I love having that in a fall coat. So yeah, Nordstrom eventually did replenish those coats, but again, both of those styles were in regular sizes. And for my petite ladies out there, you know, sometimes it's very hard when it comes to blazers and jackets, and the fact that this one was from the brand Reiss, which I think is very well made, and it was petite, I was like, this is amazing. So I'm definitely keeping this. I probably won't be needing a jacket for a very long time, because I think this is one of those type of forever pieces in my collection. Well, thank you guys for joining me in today's unboxing. What was your favorite item? I really hope you enjoyed all of these neutral items. You know I have a big love for neutrals, so ecstatic to add these beautiful neutrals to my collection. Love to hear your thoughts below, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.